Hello everyone, today we're going to unbox some of my recent purchases from apm Monaco. So this brand started with a female founder and her son, Ariane and Flip Pratt, who started this brand in 1982, but not officially. This was just influenced by their experience in jewelry making and craftsmanship for high jewelers around the world. In 2012, Philip Pratt and his wife decided to found the brand apm Monaco, and it was backed with 30 years of their dedication and hard work in jewelry making and their experience. So today, the first thing that I'm going to unbox, we're gonna find out what it is together. Oh, these are locked. So the first thing that we are going to unbox is this signature apm ring in silver. I'm going to try it on right now. It fits like a glove, and I really like how the silver goes very well with my bracelet here, and I think it's a really good combination together. So Philip's wife that I talked about earlier is the creative director of the company, and as you can see, the creativeness and the attention to detail in these rings is actually very stunning, and I love how it shines like the stones here, and the quality is actually really amazing. So apm Monaco today, it has 40 years of expertise in jewelry making and craftsmanship, and it's one of the highest and the leader brands in silver jewelries. So now we're going to unbox the other one, which is another ring, the signature one, but this one is in gold, as you can see. I'm going to try this one on as well. And as you can see, it goes really well with each other, and I think it would be like a really cool contrast to have both of them. And it also goes well with your gold jewelry together, so you can match them. So their jewelry is mostly made of zirconia or freshwater pearls, and mostly from silver 925, which is usually recycled material. Now this one that we're going to see is a pair of earrings, which are matching with the rings that we already saw, so it's the signature one. Unfortunately, I wouldn't be able to try them on, but as you can see, there are these ring earrings, and they would go really well with the rings, so you can match them. Yeah, and the last one that we're going to unbox here, I don't really remember what this was, but we're going to see. So this one is the... Oh, I cannot open it. Oh, okay. This one is another ring from apm, and this one is like a thinner ring. It's not matching with the others, but it's a very cool thing to match with the silver one because they're both silver, or even with the gold to create a contrast. And I think it's a really cool addition to all of them. As you can see, I got very excited when I entered the store, so we have two bags here. Now we're going to unbox the rest of them. So apm has around 500 boutiques around the world, and they all showcase apm's signature style and their like ideals and kind of their fashion. And it has like an in-store experience which really revolves around their jewelry making and their silver jewelries. Now this one is another ring that I got from apm. This one got really popular in the past few years, and it's just this safety pin ring in green and silver. So now I'm going to try it on. It looks really stunning, and also because of the diamonds and the stones here, it looks really sparkling and really stunning. And this other one that I'm going to open, I don't really know what's what. So this one, I suppose, is the matching earrings with the ring that I just showed you. If I can get the other one. So this is how it looks like, and again, I wouldn't be able to try it on, but it's a very good thing to match with the ring. It's a very nice addition. Yeah, so this is how the earrings look like, and as you can see, they match the ring perfectly. And so now we're going to open the last one. One thing about apm Monaco is that it really does embody the south of France lifestyle and the kind of fashion that you can find in south of France, especially Monaco. And this, I got a bigger size for this gold ring so that I can stack it on top of the other, on top of the another gold one or a silver one. So I think it looks really chic right now. But obviously I'm not gonna wear all of these together. But this is how it looks like. Basically, this is all I bought from apm Monaco. Yeah, and also they gave me a gift with everything that I bought, so we're gonna open it together. I don't also know what this is, so we're gonna find out. So this is how it looks like. And I think it's like a makeup bag. It's really cute. I think it's very useful and very handy. Thank you APM for giving me this gift and for having very helpful staff in store to help me find the best things for myself. And thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you enjoyed it, you could share it with your friends for them to watch it as well. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel if you like content like this, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.